I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn adding and subtracting fractions together, step by step. When two fractions have the same bottom number, the pieces are the same size. To add 1/5 and 2/5, we just add the top numbers. The bottom number stays the same. 1/5 plus 2/5 means 1 piece plus 2 pieces, which is 3 pieces. So the answer is 3/5. We add the tops and keep the bottom as 5. Subtracting works the same way. 4/6 minus 1/6 means take away 1 piece from 4 pieces, leaving 3 pieces. The answer is 3/6, which can also simplify to 1/2. Let's add 3/8 and 4/8. 3 plus 4 is 7, and the bottom stays 8. So 3/8 plus 4/8 equals 7/8. When the bottoms match, add or subtract only the top numbers and keep the bottom the same. Then simplify the answer if you can. Same-size pieces make fractions easy to combine. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.